Hello and welcome to CARSLIFE Canada. Today we're diving into how to keep your car running smoothly, even through Canadian winters and potholes. Regular maintenance is crucial, but your driving habits play a significant role in your car's longevity. If you're treating your car like it's in a Fast and Furious film, those new parts won't last long, so buckle up, because we're going to delve into 8 common driving habits that could be secretly damaging your car. And who knows, you might even learn a thing or two about preserving your vehicle and your wallet. First up, let's tackle a common habit: riding the brakes. On long, downhill stretches, it's tempting to keep your foot on the brake pedal, but this generates heat, which is bad for brakes. Excessive heat can cause your brakes to fade and wear out prematurely. Instead, try engine braking by shifting into a lower gear and letting the engine control your speed. You'll save your brakes, and might even improve fuel efficiency. Many people treat their brake pedal like a light switch on or off with no in-between. Sudden, hard braking puts immense strain on your entire braking system, from the pads and discs to the suspension. Over time, this can lead to warping, cracking, and expensive problems. Smooth and progressive braking is the key to a happy and healthy car. Remember, smooth braking leads to a calmer you and a longer-lasting car. Speed bumps and potholes are the bane of any motorist's existence. Flying over them at speed can inflict serious damage on your vehicle. The impact sends shock waves through your car's suspension, tires, and alignment. This can lead to bent rims, damaged tires, and a rough suspension. Slow down, approach with caution, and glide over those obstacles like a swan on a still pond. Shifting from drive to reverse without coming to a complete stop is a recipe for disaster. Your car's transmission is a complex piece of engineering. Forcing it to deal with stress and strain can lead to premature wear and even complete transmission failure. Always come to a complete stop before changing gears. This simple habit can save you from costly repairs. Tailgating is not only dangerous but can also lead to expensive consequences for your car. When you tailgate, you drastically reduce your reaction time. If the car in front brakes suddenly, you're left with very little time to react, increasing the likelihood of a collision. Even a minor fender bender can result in costly repairs and increased insurance premiums. Maintain a safe following distance to protect your car and yourself. Your car's engine needs time to reach its operating temperature before it's ready for high revs. When you start your car, especially on a cold day, the oil is thick and takes time to circulate properly. Revving the engine while it's still cold increases friction and wear on vital internal components. This can lead to reduced engine life and decreased performance. Give your engine a few minutes to warm up before driving. Running your car on fumes can cause significant damage to your car's fuel system. Modern cars have fuel pumps located inside the fuel tank, which rely on the fuel for lubrication and cooling. When you run your car on empty, the fuel pump is exposed to air, which can cause it to overheat and wear out prematurely. This can lead to fuel pump failure and costly repairs. Keep your fuel tank at least a quarter full to avoid these issues. Overloading your car can put excessive strain on various components. It can lead to increased tire wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and damage to your car's suspension and brakes. Overloading also affects your car's handling, making it more difficult to steer and brake effectively. Check your owner's manual for your car's maximum payload capacity. Be mindful of how much weight you're putting in your car to avoid these problems. So, there you have it. 8 common driving habits that could be silently damaging your car. Treating your car with mechanical sympathy can extend its lifespan and save you from costly repairs. Avoid these bad habits to ensure a smoother, safer, and more enjoyable driving experience. Thanks for joining me here at CARSLIFE Canada. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, drive safe and keep those engines humming.